Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture on Pygame. Today we're going to set up our Pygame development environment. First of all, we must download Python. To do so, you must open your web browser, type Python in the search bar, press enter, and then open the official website of Python, www.python.org. Once you're on the website, you'll see a Downloads button. Click on that and select your computer's operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll click on Windows. Next, scroll down and choose the appropriate installer for your Windows system under Stable Releases. Choose a window installer that corresponds to your Windows bit type. It can be 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I will click on this installer to download it. You then click on Open and wait for it to finish downloading. I won't do that because I've already downloaded Python on my computer. It's here in my downloads. Alright, once Python is downloaded, run the installer by double-clicking on it. When I click on Run, this indicates that I've already installed Python on my computer. All you have to do is follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation process. During the installation process, make sure to select Add Python to Path, as it will make it easier for you to run Python from the command prompt. Now that we've installed Python on our computer, the next thing we must do is download a code editor, where we're going to write and run our Python codes. In this course, the editor that I'll be using is VS Code. To download VS Code, type VS Code in the search bar of your web browser and go to VS Code's official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. Once you're on the website, click here and choose a way to download VS Code via your operating system. For Windows, click on this button. Then click on Open to start downloading. I've already installed VS Code on my computer, so I won't click on it. Once the download is complete, you can see it in Downloads. Run the installer by double-clicking on it. You then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation process. Here you can choose to check this box so that it adds a shortcut on your desktop. I'll close this. Now we need to install the Python extension in VS Code. Python extension is a plugin that we will install in VS Code to make it easier to write Python code. Open up VS Code and click on this icon here. Then type Python in this search bar. You'll see a list of extensions that appear. Click on Python from the list of extensions. Once you've clicked on Python, you'll see an install button somewhere here. Click on that to install the extension. On my computer it shows differently because I've already installed it. Now that we've done this, what you must do next is install the Python library on your computer. Pygame is a library that we will use to create games in Python with. We can either install it in PowerShell or in the command prompt. The outcome will be the same. I'll open the command prompt and type pip install pygame and press enter. Here it tells me that I've already installed Pygame. Wait for the installation process to complete, and once it's done, you're ready to start using Pygame. Alright, that's it for today's lecture, and now on to the next one, where we're going to start writing Pygame codes. Have a good one, everyone.